Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Hyundai Santa Fe headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and the vehicle is unloaded, except for a weight equivalent to an adult driver in the seat. Next, mark the center of your headlights on the wall with horizontal and vertical lines. This preparation ensures an accurate and effective adjustment process for optimal visibility. Now, let's locate the adjustment screws. Open your Santa Fe's hood to access the headlight assemblies. You'll typically find a vertical adjustment screw, which might require a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm to 12mm wrench, depending on your model. Some vehicles also have a horizontal adjustment screw, though it's less common. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact location and tool requirements for your specific Santa Fe. With your vehicle prepared, turn on the low beam headlights. Using the appropriate tool, carefully turn the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise usually lowers the beam, while counterclockwise will raise it. Adjust the beam until the top of the brightest part aligns with the horizontal line you marked on the wall and the center aligns with the vertical line. Make small adjustments and recheck the beam pattern frequently. For precise aiming, cover one headlight while adjusting the other. Remember not to lean on the vehicle during this process, as your weight can affect the beam's position. Once both headlights are adjusted, take your Santa Fe for a test drive to confirm they provide clear, safe illumination without blinding oncoming traffic. If you encounter any difficulties or are unsure, consider seeking assistance from a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.